Today I'll be sharing with you a small, a simple and a beautiful story about money and satisfaction. This story will teach you how you can make money using satisfaction as the tool. Stay tuned. Welcome to the video. Once there was a saint who used to visit different villages every month to help people with his wisdom. During his journey, one day he found a small village with lots of greenery and farm all around. The saint decided to stay there and help the people of that village. When the villagers came to know about this thing, they all went to the saint with their problems, and the saint helped them selflessly. One day, a wealthy village merchant went to the saint with his problem. The saint was meditating. When he heard the footsteps, he opened the eyes and saw the merchant sitting in front of him. He asked him, "What do you want?" The merchant said, "I want to become rich very soon." The saint smiled, accepting the question that the merchant asked. This made merchant very happy. The saint smiled and said, "I would like to help you, but before that, I would like to ask you a few questions. Are you okay with it?" The merchant said, "Yes." The saint asked, "Are you rich right now?" The merchant said, "Yes, I am." The saint asked, "Do you want to become more rich?" The merchant said, "Yes, I want to become more rich." Then the saint asked, "What will you do when you get more money?" The merchant said, "After that, I will figure out more different ways to make more money and add to my wealth." Hearing this, the saint smiled and said, "I am so sorry. I cannot help you because I do not see end to your satisfaction. And if there is no end to your satisfaction, you will keep on chasing wealth without any direction. And the journey towards this will be an endless hole. You need to learn how to be satisfied with what you have, and this will give you more money than you expect." Hearing the words, the merchant said, "O saint, satisfaction means stopping with what I have, and this will also stop my growth." The saint replied, "No, satisfaction is the start of the biggest wealth called happiness. And happiness from heart pulls and attracts money. If you have guts to sleep with whatever you have, the next day will have guts to show you better opportunity in terms of wealth and money." The merchant thought for a second and smiled as he got the message. He was happy with the new wisdom that he got. He left the place happily with a smile on his face. Unfortunately, unlike this merchant, most of us do not understood the message that the saint gave us. How often you are confused between greed and want. How often you get scared to be happy and satisfied with the small things that you have. Why do we chase big things? Is there any way big things can chase us? Yes, and this can only happen with happiness and satisfaction. Now, how this works? One has to learn to be happy and satisfied with whatever they have. This satisfaction will release the pressure from you and give you clarity in your thoughts. This clarity will breed a new vision, and this vision will help you to see multiple opportunities that went unseen before, and these opportunities will produce money. You don't have to stop dreaming. All you have to do is, when you go to sleep, be satisfied with whatever you have, so the next day can produce better opportunities for you in terms of money and wealth. The moment you start doing this thing, you will see that money is chasing you and not the other way around. I pray to God that you understand the power of satisfaction so deeply that you become rich very soon. So this was the exact difference between you chasing money and money chasing you. I hope you liked the video. If you found the video helpful, then do hit the like button. Feel free to share it with your friends and family members and help them to understand the difference between they chasing money and money chasing them. If you have any question related to this video, then do ask me in the comment box and I will try to help you as soon as possible. Feel free to connect with me on social media where I can answer all your queries regarding to your personal problems personally. The handles are mentioned in the description box below. Also, I have two channels on YouTube, Samit Trivedi English and Samit Trivedi Hindi, where I upload similar videos every week. Do subscribe the channel for similar videos and hit the bell icon so you are notified as soon as I upload the videos online. Hope you liked the video and understood the power of satisfaction. Thanks once again for watching. My name is Samir. Until we meet next, stay awesome.